This is Ellie's purse.
Okay, so we got these. We got these. We got this.
Little pair of shoes.
We got this.
Yep.
We got a wand.
Yep. Fairy wand.
We got some glass cases. We got a wallet. We got a camera. We got some rings. Some pennies.
You got about 10,000 quarters.
Yeah, I got some quarters in here. And my old wallet and my phone. And yeah, that's it. Oh,
And
here's
some coupons.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and some coupons for Dunkin' Donuts too. We should have gone to Dunkin' Donuts today, you know.
You said you hated Dunkin' Donuts.
I was lying. Okay, now we have to put all this stuff back. I don't think it'll fit. There you go, sugar mama. Sugar mama.
Say bye.